Hello everyone, Namaste and Salam Alaikum people. Hi, this is Mariya Khan, your master teacher of biology here at Vedantu. And guys, everyone was requesting me that ma'am, please get some subjective questions on the chapter Why Do We Fall for our CBSE Grade 9 Term 2. So here I am guys, the most awaited session of this particular chapter. So if you're eager and excited to learn with me, hit on the like button, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet subscribed, hit on the bell icon, and yes, let's get started my You Are Me. So guys, here is the very first question for 3 marks. Now, this is a personal response question, but always remember personal response is never actually a personal response. Okay, it has to be always aligned with your textbook. Now, the very first question: how many times have you fallen ill in the past 1 year? So you may write 1 or 2 at the max, 3 times. Okay. Now, what were the illnesses? So depending upon what you have mentioned, ki once, so it can be viral influenza, or it can be anything, something you really had fallen sick because of maybe malaria or dengue or typhoid or anything else. Okay, now think of one change that you could make in your habits in order to avoid any of those above illnesses. Now see, when you're choosing what to answer for the question first, then you think about the question A that has been asked, what can be done to prevent. For example, if it is malaria, the one, always use mosquito repellents, keep your surroundings clean, do not store water, prevent stagnation of water, and all these things that you can incorporate in your answer. Okay, if you would have mentioned typhoid, to avoid the consumption of contaminated food and water. So depending upon the disease, you have to ensure that what is the next answer that you're going to write. Okay, now think of one change you would wish for in your surroundings in order to avoid most of the illnesses. Guys, cleanliness is the key to have a healthy life, right? Because clean surroundings is equal to health, right? So that's the answer B. Okay, this is how you have to write your answer. And don't worry, I'll be uploading the PDF in the comment section, I mean in the description box as well. Okay, now the next question, give reasons whether the following statements are correct or not. Now, if you're wondering, key here I have mentioned like question number 5, but this is like question number 2. So I have skipped all the MCQs which I have already covered up in the Menti. Okay, so I have just handpicked some subjective questions. So here, health is only the absence of any physical disease. Is that true or false? Of course, the statement is false. So, absence of disease is not referred as health. Health is a complete state of physical, social, and mental well-being. है ना? Children need not be immunized. Now, this is also false. Guys, children have a weaker immune system, right? So, they need to be immunized so that they develop some strength to fight against certain diseases. Okay? They are more vulnerable and susceptible to various infections. Perfect. So, this is for 2 marks. Then the next. Name the target organ for the following diseases. Hepatitis. Guys, hepato means liver. So, of course, the target organ is going to be liver. Encephalitis. Guys, encephalon means brain. So, the target organ is going to be brain. Pneumonia. It's a lung infection. And fungus. Guys, fungus fairly infects your skin. So liver, brain, lungs and skin. Okay, so this is very simple. And then now this question can be further expanded or extended to know what are symptoms associated with it. So hepatitis may a person will experience jaundice like symptoms. Encephalitis, Japanese encephalitis, so fever, then headache, then vomiting, then chills. Okay, so these are certain like unconsciousness. So any injury to the brain would lead to this, but yeah, these are certain things that I have mentioned. Pneumonia, it targets your lungs. So chest congestion, finding it difficulty to breathe, all these other symptoms related to pneumonia. And fungal disease, you will experience patches or rashes or lesions on your skin. Okay, chalo. Now give the difference between vaccines and antibiotics. Now vaccines actually contain the weakened or killed pathogen. Okay, weakened or killed pathogen. Now antibiotics are chemicals extracted from certain bacteria and fungi, which can be used to kill most of the bacteria and some protozoa. That's the primary difference. One contains the pathogen, the other contains the chemicals extracted from bacteria and fungi. Okay. Now, once the vaccine is being introduced, our immune system recruits certain cells to produce antibodies, and once antibodies are manufactured and memory cells are developed, we develop resistance against the disease, right? Now antibiotics, they block the biochemical pathways, they kill the pathogens, they slow down the rate of reproduction, and they thus prevent the spread of an infection. Vaccine is a preventive measure, antibiotic is a curative measure. That's again another very important. Okay. Yeah. Then next, the body of a patient has lost its power of fighting against infection. Means what? Its immune system is non-functional. Which disease may the patient be suffering from? Guys, the disease which attacks the immune system, HIV infection, which leads to AIDS, right? So pathogen is human immunovirus. Modes of transmission, guys, very easy. Through unsafe sexual contact, through reuses of syringes and needles, through blood transfusion, through transplacental transmission, that is from mother to the fetus, then by breastfeeding. These are certain ways by which AIDS can be transmitted. HIV virus can be transmitted. Okay, yeah. Then what are the conditions favoring airborne diseases? COVID, guys, write everything you know about COVID. So here what can you write? अरे मैं पूरी स्क्रीन खा रही हूँ क्या? I feel so. So yeah. So what are the conditions favoring airborne diseases? So here is, guys, the very first one. Close proximity to an infected person, not maintaining social distancing, overcrowding, and poor ventilation. Okay. Then some preventive measures, wearing masks, sanitization, maintaining social distancing. You can write all those things. Okay. COVID etiquettes. Then what are the various dimensions of health? Guys, write the definition. Health is a complete state of physical, social, and mental well-being. So three dimensions: physical, mental, and social. Okay, elaborate all the three and then you're good to go. Okay, yeah. And then very important question. What is immunization, immune system, and immunity? The ability to fight off infections is called as immunity. That's provided by a system in our body which has specialized cells to fight off infections. That's the immune system. And immunization, okay, it's a specific method by which a particular disease can be prevented. Now immunization can be achieved by vaccination. So when we introduce vaccine, inoculate vaccines in the human body, that eventually leads to immunization. Okay, when our body successfully manufactures the antibodies against a specific pathogen. So you may support your answer always and always with certain examples. Okay, if not diagrams, at least certain examples. And yeah, the next one. By the way, if you're finding this session to be useful, like, share, subscribe, post me your guys. Name the agent and the disease caused by them. Okay, agent and the diseases. So bacteria, guys, tuberculosis, pneumonia, bacteria. Alright, viruses, HIV, COVID, viral, fungal, influenza, ring infection, protozoa, malaria, and then elephantiasis. No, elephantiasis is caused by filarial worm. Let me erase this. Okay. Malaria. और क्या है? और क्या है? Protozoal. Okay. Amoebiasis caused by Entamoeba histolytica. And और क्या है? Protozoal. चलो आगे याद करते हैं. वर्म्स, वर्म से टेप वर्म से टैनियसिस, ओके, एस्केरियासिस, एस्केरियासिस, ओके. So yeah, see everything is given over here. Yeah, Kala Azar, how can I forget that? So malaria, Kala Azar, sleeping sickness. So these are all protozoal. And as I mentioned, filariasis. So that's worm infection. And yeah, so such simple questions can be even asked for 5 marks. So be prepared, okay? Be prepared. And then full form of AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, okay, causative organism HIV, human immunovirus, right? So yeah, very simple question, simple answer, 2 marks. Now what are the means of spread? Means of spread: through the means of air, give example. Through the means of water, give example. Through the means of food, okay, contaminated food, give example. Through the means of direct contact, okay, by means of indirect contact, okay, and by sexual contact, okay, all kind of contacts. And then through the means of vectors, okay. So write all possible means of spread, okay, easy, and give examples for each. Guys, 5 marks halke mein na lena. And then some points have been given over here, but I'm pretty sure you will be able to write in your own words in a better way, okay. Yeah. Then next question: balanced diet is necessary for maintaining health. Guys, diet, nourishment, nutrients, energy is used by the body to fight off infections, for recovery, है ना, for everything. So yeah, balanced diet is very, very essential. And health of an organism depends upon the surrounding environmental condition. Now, health is not only dependent upon the individual, okay. There are certain factors influencing health. So yeah, surrounding environment also matters the most, physical and social surrounding both. So you may highlight the significance of both the surroundings, okay. The surroundings should be clean and hygienic, and also they should be peaceful, and there should be equality and equal opportunity. You can mention everything, okay. So yeah, health, mental health, physical health, both are influenced by the physical surrounding and mental surrounding, ठीक है. So you mention it that way. And both the answers are mentioned over here in brief. You may refer the same, okay. And yeah, that's it for the day, guys. Your class 9, I hope you are enjoying and loving all the sessions here at Vedantu. But if you really wish to enroll with us, I'll recommend you that enroll with us. We have a special batch called as Udan batch, run by all the YouTube teachers, your favorite YT teachers. It will include me, Ananya sir, Shilpi ma'am, Bhavna ma'am. We have all your favorites teachers, okay. We have Shweta ma'am, we have Gopal sir, all your favorite teachers in one batch teaching you all the 6 subjects. So if you're eager to enroll with us, okay, let me guide you how to go about it. So first of all, guys, go to the website. Let me take you to the website. कहाँ गया? यहाँ पे. So see, this is my one of my sessions. So you can go to the ongoing session and you can go to the description box. In the description box, na, you will find several courses over here, several courses. So if you see it properly, okay, अच्छे से देखोगे ना, तो उड़ान class 9 enrollment, click on this link, okay. The moment you click on this link, it diverts you to a page where it shows that we are providing you this particular batch at flat 50% off. Usually the course price is 1600, but right now Now that your exams are very close, we are offering you the course for rupee 800. But you know what the great part about it? When you click on buy now, okay, and when you apply my coupon code, okay, what's my coupon code? It is MAKPRO. Okay, so when you apply that, the rate reduces to 720. Okay, literally, if I like show you here, that the course price of 800 gets slashed down to rupees 720 with my coupon code MACPRO. Okay, I was not logged in, so I could not show you. But yes, apply this coupon code and avail the discount and grab your seats now. So guys, thank you for attending the session. Let's meet in the next session. Till then, Allah Hafiz, Milo Wapis, and keep watching Vedantu. Bye-bye. Take care. See ya.